Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20 if you're having a Fiat 500 generation from year 2008 to currently year 2022. If you need to remove or replace brake light switch, also known as a stop light switch, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. It doesn't take more than 10-20 seconds to do it if you know what you're doing, and it's hard to see, guys. That's why we want to show you with the great detail once we remove it what to expect. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what we have here. So the brake light switch is located right on top of the brake paddle, guys. So let us go here for a second and we'll show you. Okay, so if I put the camera right here now, I'm going to get it. Okay, I'm going to position it right here now. Give us a second now. Okay, you're going to see gas pedal, brake pedal, clutch pedal. We're going to put it right here, guys. Okay, perfect. Okay, it needs to be pointed that way because the switch is all the way on top. That blue thing that you see, guys, up there. Okay, let me see. Right here in the back. Okay, that's where the brake light switch is located. How you guys replace that thing? It's super inconvenient, but we will show you now. So I'm going to put my hand through here. I'll access the brake light switch, turn it clockwise about 30 degrees, pull it out, disconnect the wire. Okay, and pull it out. This is, guys, the brake light switch. It has only one wire, okay, that you need to disconnect right here, and the wire is a little bit hard to show you, but you have one element here in the middle that you need to press down on the back side. Or if you get a screwdriver, you can go ahead and push it here and you'll be pulling it out, but don't yank on the wires because you can break them. Another thing, how the switch is installed, it's installed like that. Okay, so that's how it's facing. So when you remove it, you need to turn it, okay, that way about 30 degrees, and it comes out. Later everything needs to align when you put it back together. If you want to see how to test it, we'll have a video on our channel how to do that. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.